आमच्या एजेंडा we have given extension of a time and all regarding that thing unauthorized structures and all.
Okay.
That just extended another time of another 90 days time. That was one of the agenda, and other agenda was of as far as revenue is concerned is that to be included in the gift deed. The brother-in-law and sister-in-law that
gift deed and tax लागतो ना.
No, it is on that thing. That was excluded out, so that has been included.
Okay. The registration department.
Revenue Bhavan.
Yeah, last time we had a review meeting with CM. So CM said that we will start a revenue construction of the revenue well. Because GSIDC only is supposed to take up the work, so they will start it. No, I don't know the total cost of that, but we are supposed to start. ना आम्ही पळय सीएम रिव्यू मिटींग घेतलेली पळय आमकां कितें जालें थोडे शॉर्टेज आहा मामलेदाराची शॉर्टेज बी आहा आतां GPSC थ्रू GPSC there are around 13 posts which are supposed to come. I think that will be finalized soon. But I think now it is taking basically it is not taking much time as far as this thing. There are dedicated mamladar who is looking after this tenancy and multi-real case. ना स्लो चालू आहा झालेले आहा न्हू. If you go to see the pending cases and the cases which they have taken up now, basically there is a lot of improvement in it.
ओके बाबूश आनी एक इशू आशिल्लो तो पणजे जे CCTV कॅमेरा ते एक्टीव केल्या पळय तेजेर तालांव येवपाक लागले सो रस्तेच सारके ना प्रॉपर ना लोक म्हणटा आमकां इनकन्विनियन्स जाता पळय रोडा खातीर आनी तितून भितर तालांव येवप
म्हणजे तालांव येवप बिकॉज ऑफ सम ट्रॅफिक
पूण रस्ते म्हणटा ते वन वे सगळे ब्लॉक केल्ले ब्लॉक ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा
तालांव कित्याक म्हणे आतां हेल्मेट घालना तालांव येतात
ना हेल्मेटाची इशू ना ते म्हणटा कितें वन वे आहा रोड ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा आनी नो एंट्रीन पावता म्हणटा
कितें आतां डायवर्शन पुलिसान डायवर्शन केलेलें आसलें कितें काम खंयचें चलता पुलीस डायवर्शन करता सो इफ देर इज अ डायवर्शन वीच पुलीस हॅज ऑलरेडी आयडेंटिफायड सो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ
पण जेन्ना हे रोड जेन्ना बंद आसता तेन्ना हे कॅमेरा एक्टीव करून तालांव दिवप सारकें कशें दिसता.
So let us start from somewhere now. आता कित्याक ते तालांव दिलेलो आहा that let the traffic police let them identify that.
Okay.
So it will not be right on my part basically to put a stop on that itself now. So let them start.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.